have 578 on the visual 35 right. Jump on 30, taxi area number 1, company departing runway 2015, destination 21. Bravo 50, Tower, miles over 35 right here. Two heavy, jump 4, east ground 1535.
Delta 4 ground 1 set, good.
Bravo 50, contact departure 119.8, airborne, wind 26014, destination 21. Process your officer, take off runway 35.
So the block number, so you're got the taxiway block. See it. No. 6 or 8%.
Jazz 140 with you on short to the right there.
Jazz 140, tower, remain holding short, runway 35 right, one more to land, and turn your transponder on, please.
Sorry, on short to the right there,
Air Canada 851, heavy exit Delta 6, contact ground 125.3510.
Delta 6, 2535, Air Canada 851.
So take these ones in.
There's go 5681, so looks pretty grand.
Skywest 5681, that heavy traffic is exiting on Delta 6, wind 300, 12, gusting 20, you are clear to land runway 35 right.
Land 35 right.
Helicopter Foxtrot November, Charlie Hotel, tower, remain west of runway 35 right at all times with 300, 12, gusting 20. Associated description, Eagle Alpine, southwest county. Jazz 140, tower, line up runway 35 right here.
Line up and wait for the right here, Jazz 140. 872, 26, visual, 35 right.
Jordan 7226, target tower number 1, runway 35 right. Traffic departing ahead.
Roger.
That was 5681, exit left Delta 6, contact eastbound 125.35, went off.
Delta 6, 2535, good day. 230, Edelweiss 140, Sierra, confirm the RNAV Zulu approach, 135 right.
Affirmative.
Thank you.
United 1418 vectors for sequencing, fly heading 230.
Heading 230, United 1418.
Calgary arrival, it's WestJet 1467, 16,000, descending 10,000, and planning the ILS 35 right.
WestJet 1467, roger, runway 35 right, proceed direct to Tazboo and descend 8,000.
Correct, Tazboo 8,000, WestJet 1467.
Edelweiss 14 Sierra, fly heading 260.
Heading 260, Edelweiss 14 Sierra.
WestJet 122, descend 5,500.
5,500, WestJet 122.
Georgian 7203, descend 8,000.
Descend 8,000, Georgian 7203.
Right, heading 320 to intercept final for RNAV Zulu approach, 135 right, Edelweiss 14 Sierra.
WestJet 122, turn left heading 010, cleared visual, approach 35 left.
Left heading 010, clear visual 35 left, WestJet 122.
United 1418, speed 180 knots.
Flow to 180, United 1418.
WestJet 122, traffic about your 12 o'clock now, 5 miles on the east runway is Airbus 340.
Insight for WestJet 122.
Roger. United 1418, turn right heading 320, cleared straight in, RNAV Zulu 35 right.
Heading 320, clear the RNAV 35 right, United 1418.
Good afternoon, this is Jazz 478. We have sent for 14,000, and we have information from Eagle planning and visual 35 left.
Jazz 478, Calgary arrival, runway 35 left, descend 10,000, report the airport in sight.
10,000, report to site for Jazz 478.
Edelweiss 14 Sierra, speed 160 knots or less, and contact tower 11887.
Speed 160 and 118.87 by Edelweiss 14 Sierra. Tower, good day, Edelweiss 14 Sierra Heavy, established 35 right.
Edelweiss 14 Sierra, good day. The winds are 240, 10 gusting 22, clear to land, runway 35 right.
Clear to land, runway 35 right, Edelweiss 14 Sierra.
Tower, WestJet 122, visual 35 left.
WestJet 122, Calgary, good day. The altimeter is 29904, plan to clear Charlie 4, winds are 250, 10 gusting 22, clear to land, runway 35 left.
Clear land 35 left, Charlie 4, WestJet 122.
And Tower United 1418, just inside Tazboo, RNAV, runway 35 right.
1418, Calgary, good day. The altimeter is 29904, number 235 right, you're flying A340 traffic, 2 mile final, use caution for turbulence.
No, use caution for 35 right behind the Airbus, continue, guys, 1418. Good afternoon again, it's Golf Yankee Alpha Victor, Eagle Alpine, ready for liftoff for Springbank.
Eagle Alpha Victor, roger, stand by 1. WestJet 122, helicopter traffic is going to lift the south side of the field, track northbound between the parallels, will be off your right side at all times.
Okay, WestJet 122, check me.
Yankee Alpha Victor, you can lift your discretion, not above 4,500 feet VFR, winds at 250, 10 gusting 20. I'll get you track northbound between the parallels for now.
Parallels, 4,500. 100 Yankee 06.
WestJet 191 tower at Sierra, line up runway 35 right.
Up 35 right, WestJet 191.
Edelweiss 14 Sierra, heavy left turn Delta 6, contact east ground 12535.
Edelweiss 140 heavy left Delta 6 and 12535, goodbye.
Good day. Yankee Alpha Victor, turn left, heading 260, clear to cross runway 35 left.
Clear to cross 35 left, 260 on the heading. WestJet 233 is with you, just turn it final for 35 right.
WestJet 233, Calgary, good day, altimeter is 29904, winds are showing 240, 10 gusting 20, clear to land runway 35 right.
Clear to land 35 right, WestJet 233.